Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be sharing with you my latest haul from In Love Arts. I have made a few projects with some of the items I received, and I'm going to do this video a little different. I'm going to start by showing you what I've made and then the pieces I used to make it, and then at the end of the video I'll show you the full haul of what came in. It does have Coco Rosa on the packaging because apparently In Love Arts and Coco Rosa are one in the same company. So that's so that you don't get confused. If I say In Love Arts, that's the coupon code that I have. That's the website you're going to click on for the links that I'll be sharing below, but they are one in the same company as far as I know. So let me start by showing you what I've made, what I used to make it, and then I'll show you the full haul for what I received. Before I get started, I did want to mention, if you don't have a die cutting machine, I have a video that I will link in the description box below where you can find a way to use metal dies without a machine. So hopefully that tip will help some of you if you happen to have any of these or are planning to get any, how you can use them without a machine. I'll link that video below. And one more thing to mention, In Love Arts right now is doing a giveaway. They are providing a $50 gift card to one winner and 10 $20 gift cards to 10 winners. There is a coupon code that you can use when you're purchasing. The coupon code will be valid until July 31st of this year, and then winners will be announced August 2nd. And this will happen with, I believe, with a purchase. So I will have those details in the description box below, but you can certainly check out their website to get more details on this awesome giveaway. You can get the details in the description box below if you want to know more about the giveaway. Okay. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let me show you the first project that I made and what I used. If you would like measurements, leave me a comment below and I'll let you know the sizes of the items I'm using. So the first thing I used in this one is this really lovely floral design. You can see that there, and it's a really nice size. And then I used a teacup with all the different pieces there. And so this is what I ended up making. I should move this tag because I think the glare is a bit much. So the thought of this is it could be a nice pocket that we could put in a journal. And of course, I've embossed with the embossing folder here, the floral one. I don't know if you can see that. And then the teacup, I added the inside of it because it actually does punch that out as well, so you can do a different color for paper piecing on the inside. So this one looks like tea or coffee, of course. And then the florals and the greenery, what I did is I just colored them all in with just different markers that I had to go with, you know, a little bit of the pink background. But I think it turned out really cute, and it's just meant to be like a pocket that it could either, you know, become like a flip out, or I could actually just attach it to a page. So I thought that was really, really neat. So that's the first thing that I did there. So the next one that I used was the cupcake, which to me is a cupcake. So it comes with all the pieces that are here. I should show you the pieces again. So all the pieces, and of course this is for piecing it together. I really liked all the different elements that I got to play with. I did color this in with some of my Copic markers, and I'm really struggling, coloring things in because it's sort of new to me. I know many of you are just so great at it, but for me, it's new coloring things in with Copic markers. So it's been fun. I've also used a lot of my distress inks as well. So I think this one had some of the distress oxides. I used salvaged patina and pickled raspberry. Let me just see here. Picked raspberry. So those are the two that I used to color that in. And as you can see, it's just a really cute birthday card. I did add some of those little beads on it just to give it dimension as well. And that's it for that card. So I really like this die. I think it's so nice because you can, decorate it however you want. You can keep the little dollop of whatever that would be. You can take it off so many different ways, and I like that you can actually use the cherry separately as well. So there's that one. Okay, so the next one I used was this, I guess it's a background. I forgot what these are called. Everything, of course, will be linked in the description box below. I left the little bits in there so you can see that they all cut out. So you're basically left with the shell of the outline, and it actually stays on the paper. So it doesn't fully cut out the piece. It just cuts out the little pieces within it, which I think is also wonderful because I don't often use those. So I like how this one came out. It's just, again, a very, you know, kind of nice card that I can use with anything. I added some florals from a Maggie Holmes collection, some other, you know, embellishments that I had, and I can use this card on anything. So I really like that it has the different design on it. And of course, you can use it either way. And also the other pieces can be used for something else. And the last project I'm sharing with you before I show you the rest of the items I got in the collection is the strawberry. So it comes with one strawberry, and then it has all the different layers that you could add to it. So if I wanted to, you know, maybe add like a chocolate layer or something to the strawberry, these are all the different things you can add. It comes with all the other 3 different pieces as well, like the green topper there. And all I did for this, again, is just piece together the 3 strawberries, which I thought was really cute. And again, you can play with this so much because you can make them, you know, like if you've dipped your strawberry in something else. I think I would have liked maybe a couple more strawberries, different sizes would have been nice, but I still like that I have a little strawberry die for my collection. And yeah, so that's it for these ones. So let me just show you everything that I received in this haul. And if you have any questions, comments, don't forget to leave them below. I thought I would quickly show you just some of the pieces that I didn't use. So this is one of the flowers for the teacup set that I didn't use in the project. And this is how the teacup cuts out. So it actually has these little slits that you could actually put something, you know, inside the cup if you wanted to. So I think that's a really nice design as well. So I wanted to show that. And then this is again for the embossing folder, which is, look how beautiful. I hope you can see how lovely that that comes out. So I wanted to show you that. And then the other one that I wanted to show you, which is part of the, I guess, the background one. So this is how this one is designed. This, and I should find something else to show you. I hope you can see it. This is how it actually punches out. And this is the pieces that you get that are cut out. So basically you get to either piece the you know, the cutouts back into it. You can use it just as is, or you can combine it by cutting it different times. You can have different colors coming out of it. So I think this is like a really nice die as well. I just didn't get a chance to use it in this project. Okay, so this is one of the dies that I didn't get to play with yet, but I'm really excited about it. It is a stamp set and a die set, which I really think I'm going to enjoy playing with, so I can't wait to show you. It comes with all the elements you see here, and there's really quite a lot in this one, so I'm quite happy with, you know, the selection. And like I said, I can't wait to show you a little bit more in the future. The one I already showed you is this embossing folder, which I really like, and I'm happy that I've added this to my collection. Again, if you need measurements, let me know, and I'll put all those details below as well. They usually send a free item if you purchase more than a certain amount. So that's the floral, the heart that they sent there. You saw how I worked with this cute little cupcake. It could also be like a little ice cream cup, I guess, as well. So here are the strawberry elements that I mentioned, and of course it's got the one strawberry, but all the additional pieces you can add to it. This is a background die, and it cuts out all the different pieces inside and the frame. So I haven't quite used this one yet, but I will. If you want to see how I use it, leave a comment below and I'll see if I can come up with a project. Any of the ones I haven't shown you, leave a comment below and let me know if you want to see how I use them. I like how this one has that stitch kind of design on it. I showed you this one, which was really fun to use. And don't forget to use the coupon code below that I will be sharing, and I'll also try and put it on the screen. And check out my Ko-fi page as well for any more details and updates. This one is the one I showed you how it punches out. And then of course we've got the cute little teacup. I can't wait to play more with this one as well. So that's it, my friends. Thank you for joining me. Let me know which project you liked, and if you like the format of this video. I think I was a little bit happier with this one as well. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.